Hello groovers and shakers, welcome to Royal Clarence Marina and the Taleteller Club recording studio. So what have I got for you today? I wanted to do something a bit ethereal today. I've been feeling godly only because I'm an ordained minister and I was working with that idea for something else, another project that I do, and I thought, well, let's do some hip hop with something godly. How do you make a godly effect? That sort of haunting, angelic effect. Guaranteed result, you stick a choir in there, okay? So it's got a male choir loop in the background. It's also got some haunting music that I found as well. I'm afraid I can't remember what I put in, but it's a loop, an Apple loop. And then it's got the iServalan vocal over the top. Now you can EQ this, so you can EQ it so that my voice is less or the choir is less or whatever you wanted to do. Very haunting. Remember as well, you can detune it. So if you copied this, if you downloaded this as an MP3, put it into your system, you can play around with the key and change the notes by hand, manually. You can also do it by machine, but I always just do it manually. So you can change everything around. And also a really good tip, and something I do all the time, is you can analyze it, the file, and you can create a MIDI file from it. I love doing that. I do it in all of my tracks, and it just gives a bit of an edge because you can completely change the vocal into some other machine. Really, really good fun. And don't forget as well, you can stick all this in the Evoc 20 if you like that sort of thing. So here we go. Here's your freebie for today. The Beauty Skin Rife Therapy is now finally out on YouTunes. You got sorry, not YouTunes, YouTube. Really took ages, so be warned about that. If you're trying to get something out for Christmas, for example, and you want it out for Christmas, you better get it up and in with your distributors, maybe a month earlier, because sometimes there's these hold-ups, and I know not why, my friends. So here we go. Here's your freebie for today, free for personal use. Enjoy, my friends.